Uh, we are from Abu Dhabi. We are Indians, but working in Abu Dhabi right now. And we are aware of IRCAD previously also. We have gone attended at Strasbourg. And the course was very good. Especially this hands-on training was very good. And excellent hospitality. Keep it up. That way.
I'm Dr. Mamta. I'm an Indian working in UAE also. We're in the same hospital. And we came to know about Taiwan from each other, basically, searched and found out. And it's been a beautiful time here, very enlightening. We came to know so many good points, and we have the best team. You have the best team, I guess. It was a pleasure to be here, actually, and especially this animal session was very nice.
And another question, what do you think about the course? The content, was it as you expected?
Yeah, the contents were as expected, but the presentation were beyond our expectation with the top people, and it was an excellent show. And until we attend this, one surgeon, until they attend the session, they won't know the exact depth of it, because most of the faculty are the best in their field. That's the best part of it. And we get to listen to them, and we can talk to them and also interact in the hands-on session. That's the best part of it.
Yeah, I think it's the same way, because the faculty is the best, and they take out just the most important things and let us know that their experience also we gain for that, and I think it's very good that way.
Okay. And just a final question, would you feel that you want to return for the course in Taiwan in the future, or would you recommend your colleagues or friends to come in the future?
Definitely. We are already making plans to come for some other courses, and yeah, definitely we'll let our colleagues know.
Yeah, it's a pleasure being here in Taiwan. I think all my colleagues, other colleagues also should have the experience at least once in their lifetime. And as she told, we would like to again come for some other course that way.